I was born with a Nikon 801 analog with film inside, and when digital came, we thought that it was the end of photography. In reality, it's photography enhanced. So I think with AI, it's the same. AI is clearly a huge transformative element of the way we run supply chains, but we need to be very careful to identify what are the big value cases where we can leverage it, piloting it at first and then growing it at scale. With immense pleasure, we are actually running a project in the Cognac area, looking at how we can collect data that will help us implement better regenerative practices for the community. We are doing quite a lot of work with our own crops and with farmers, working on regenerative agriculture, looking at ways to create a shared database for enhancing practices in the fields. Oh, I have many friends in the business. My two closest friends on this journey are our Chief Technical Officer and our Chief Digital Officer, because they actually help me bring together the different elements. I bring the people and the process, and they bring the technology and the ingenuity of the solutions. I think we need to recruit some of the new kids on the block. When I speak to my son who's 21, he actually has it in his fingers. He's able to program Python like I'm able to read a book. So I think we need to cultivate these new skills, and then we need to elevate the interest of the people that are already in the organization but are ready to learn.